Quick Launch can be used for almost any search within FlexMLS. Besides an MLS number search or address search, did you know you can do a radius search? Let's try it and see how it works. I'm going to enter in 2 miles from 5 Congress Street, Portland, Maine 04103. When doing a radius search, you need to enter in a specific address. You cannot enter in 2 miles from Portland, Maine because the system does not know a center point of Portland. Once you have entered in the information, you can hit enter or choose from the drop-down. The next screen is your list of results. When doing a radius search from the Quick Launch, I always recommend looking at the map to make sure you are in the correct location. As you can see on the map, the system has drawn a 2-mile radius based on the information that I entered. Now all you need to do is choose the Edit Search option to put in additional criteria. Another convenient Quick Launch function is to search for your clients. Instead of going to Contact Management and entering in your client's name, just type their name in the Quick Launch bar. When their name comes up, just click on it and it will bring you right to their contact record. You can also do the same for agents and appraisers. Type their name in the box and select them from the list. If you are looking for an agent, you will also be able to view their listings from their contact page. The last thing I will show you with the Quick Launch box is to start a quick search. Try typing in 2 beds, 1 bath, Saco, 300,000 to 400,000, active. As you can see, I abbreviated beds and baths, but if you want to spell it all out, you can do that as well. As you are typing in the box will open and you can either hit enter or choose from the list that's provided. When you get to your list of results, just click on the Edit Search tab to enter in more criteria. Try using the Quick Launch box for all those simple searches. It's fast and it's easy to use.